Hi guys, welcome to my ocean residence at the Heritance Aarah. This place is fantastic. This is how the rich people live, guys. I have to show you. This is my jacuzzi, okay? This is where I brush my teeth in the morning. Come here. It's the bedroom. This is the bed. Check out the high ceilings. Come on to my deck. I'm so excited. We can go for a swim in the sea over here. Or you can go to the pool for a dip. Come walk alongside me. This is the swing. It's so relaxing. Come into my dining room, guys. This is where I should be eating lunch. And this, guys, is my kitchen. Let me tell you that this place comes with 2 private butlers and 14 bottles of wine that they refill twice a day. Wow! Let's go to my hall. Hello, room service, please. Just ordered some lunch. Guys, welcome to my living room. Such a beautiful, luxurious place, isn't it? You can actually see the fish just from the living room, guys. What? Come on, I'm going to take you upstairs to my bedroom now. Second bedroom. Because, you know, I sleep half the night in one bedroom and the other half in the other bedroom. So this, guys, is the second bedroom. Entree-vous. My favorite part. I have no words. Do you have any words? Right. And that's how another day in Maldives ends. Bye. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, comment, subscribe. Ciao.